Hey guys, today let's learn how to add an NGL link onto your Instagram story. Now this is very timely right now since almost everybody on Instagram is actually downloading the NGL applications and posting their NGL links onto their stories so that their followers could actually compliment, ask them, or just say anything about them. So basically, the first thing we should do is to have the NGL application downloaded. Now I already have the application downloaded on my devices here, and as you can see, all I did was to actually log into the application using my Instagram. So go ahead and do that, guys, so that your Instagram and as well as your NGL link will be synced together so that when you answer questions, you could actually have the opportunity. Basically, once you're done copying the link onto your story, you could actually just copy the link and then post it onto your story as that specific link. Or you could actually choose a template over here and actually post it on your story depending on what you choose to. So basically, if you want to choose anything over here, like maybe just a random send me anonymous messages or ask me anything anonymously or tell me what you really think about me or basically anything, you could also choose this option to actually share it with your story. Now of course it's just going to show you this tutorial on how to actually do it, but in this video I'm going to teach you step by step just to do just that. So click on the copy link, click on OK. Now the link has been copied onto your clipboard. Exit the application. Let's go ahead straight onto Instagram. So basically once you are here, guys, the next thing that we should actually do is to head on over onto an account that we choose to post that specific link to. So in this case, I'd like to post it over here. So let's actually head on over and go to our story posting feature over on Instagram. To do that, all we need to do is to swipe from the left all the way to the right, and then let's actually choose the sticker option. So basically, once we're here onto our stories option, all we need to do is take a quick snap of anything. Maybe yeah, that'll do. And then let's head on over and click onto the sticker option right here. So click on that, and then you should have the option to post a link. So click on the link, copy and paste the link. So since we've copied it already, all we need to do is to paste it over here and to put all of the questions that you will get. Basically, you will be able to see that over onto your NGL application. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.